Hello there. Today is Valentine's Day. And guess what we're going to be doing? What are we going to be doing, Bobby?
It's Valentine's Day, so we wear red.
Okay.
And then, what else would you do? Let's cut a branch, man. Let's cut some wood.
How are you going to do that? You don't have a chainsaw, you don't have your goggles, or you do have your goggles on, but you don't have your hearing protection.
Well, I won't need hearing protection, and I do have a chainsaw. It's called a hand chainsaw.
Okay.
And I've got it right here in this bag.
It's all in that bag?
We're going to see what happens.
Okay. What do you do first? You find a branch.
You find a branch to cut.
Okay.
And you find a rock. So I found a rock, guys.
Oh, let's see a secret rock.
Look at that beauty, huh?
It's magic rock. It's nice and
round
and everything. It looks like an egg.
Yeah,
but it's not an egg.
You don't think it's like a
I think it's
dinosaur,
a egg,
fossilized
Godzilla?
Fossilized dinosaur egg, maybe, huh?
Godzilla? We're going to have to ask Larzy about that. Larzy can tell us if that's a dinosaur egg.
All right, so first thing we got to do is we got to get this baby up and over that branch.
Okay.
So I'm going to hook this onto our rock in a bag. I'm going to try not to hit myself.
Hold on to that rope tight, Bummy. So
I used a nice knot here, good old 2 half hitches. That's
Is that from Boy Scouts?
Yeah, that's a Boy Scout knot all the way. It's the only thing I learned in Boy Scouts I still use.
All right. I guess I get
going for me, and then if I hit myself in the head, you're gonna call. I should have a helmet on, huh?
You should have a helmet on, Bummy.
All right, here we go. I don't know, man. I'm not really loving this. Oh, that's not even gonna be long enough. We're not cutting anything that high.
That doesn't work. You gotta tie the other one to it, don't you?
Yeah, I guess we're gonna have to if we're gonna.
I think you'd put the chainsaw on the end.
Yeah.
With the other rope.
I think we're gonna have no choice.
Okay. All right. So we're gonna pause for a second, and then we'll come back. Okay, let's try it.
It's up there.
That's a problem.
Oh, this is not a good. This isn't gonna be a good.
How about throwing it a little farther out from the base of the tree, and then we can work it way in. Work our way in. Proper English.
All right, watch out. Here we go, guys.
I'm okay, Bummy. Well, that's all right. We can start with that. We got a problem.
Well here, guys. Hey, I lost my hook.
That's not gonna work either.
Oh, God, no. Well,
geez.
we found out that. Yeah, we found out that ain't gonna work, guys. It looks like we got 2 half hitches tied right around that branch. All right, we gotta go and use. We gotta go use some old school methods here.
I think so. Bummy, start climbing.
You know, Mimi, that's you. Go.
Okay, here.
I gotta go.
I'm gonna start climbing the tree.
Memes, serious? Look at this. Do you know what this is, Memes?
What?
Right here.
What is that? Woodpecker.
Yeah, I think that's a yellow-bellied sapsucker.
Yeah, I think that it's hollow inside.
No.
No, you don't think so? Okay.
That's tapping for
Mommy, I gotta climb, okay? Stay out of the way so I don't fall on you.
Yeah, okay, Memes. Can we,
Oh, I don't think it's gonna work. Well,
pause that, I'll go get that.
Let's see what the next process is, what we're gonna do to resolve this issue.
All right, what are we up to now, Memes?
Well, we're going to try to cut the branch down that the string rope got caught on that we're supposed to use to put the chain on to cut the branch.
And what are we going to do that with?
We're going to do that with a real chainsaw.
Is this a chainsaw? It's not even real. This is a
pull
Ryobi.
chainsaw. It is a real Ryobi. Ryobi 40 volt.
Yeah.
8-inch pull saw.
All right, here we go, Ryobi. Let's see if you can reach.
Stretch.
Here we go, guys.
Woohoo! All right. Now what do we do?
Pull this up and over. Let's hope.
Pull it hard. Quick. Quick, Bummy. Quick. You got to do it quick.
Well,
so
I can't do that and hold this.
I'll hold the chainsaw.
Kind of hoping.
Or you want me to just pull it?
No.
He doesn't want me to have the glory.
Yeah, there ain't no glory in this job.
All right, pull it hard, Bummy. There you go. Yippee! Got it down. All right, so what are we going to do this time to avoid that situation?
Well, I think we're going to get us a pair of pliers.
Oh.
All right, I'll put the pole saw away.
How about if you just tie it knot to knot instead of playing on the S hook?
Because
it's the chain.
The chain is right.
Okay.
So.
All right, so we'll pause again for a minute.
All right, here we go again. You ready?
Wait a minute, Bummy.
All right, we're gonna go underhanded. Let's see if we can get up here.
Going for that lower branch there.
Oh, that was a very
completely missed, Bummy.
Oh man. Well, I'll tell you what, maybe wintertime's not the time. Maybe we shouldn't do this on Valentine's Day.
You got a red rope to go with Valentine's.
I also got my chain all mucked up again.
I don't know how you prevent from doing that. Whoa, he did it.
Yeah, but can we get it?
There we go. It's coming down. Come on. Slowly.
You're stuck around that branch.
You want me to jump up and grab it?
Not yet. There we go.
You guys see it?
Oh, I don't know if that's gonna work.
Why not?
Alright, so let's set this thing up. You got a handle? I'll get a handle. Hold on. Trade this rock for if they give you these nifty handles, memes, you might as well use them, huh?
That's what you use them for.
That's it. Well, guys, this is one heck of a Valentine's Day. Having fun, memes? Am I treating you right?
Oh yeah, better than a box of chocolates.
There you go.
Because on a box of chocolates, you never know what you're going to get. This way, I know what I'm going to get. Nothing. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right.
Now, of course, it would be nice if I could get under that branch, but I can't.
Well, you can get under that branch right now.
I can't. You know what I'm talking about, right? I can't twist around under the branch itself because we got this other branch directly under it.
Oh, it looks like it's going through.
Yeah.
Be
We may end
careful.
up having a chain up there for the winter. It's stuck.
Is it stuck, Bobby?
Yeah. Well, you're getting too much weight on it, I think. Just let me know when you see it coming. I'm gonna have to run. Yeah. This was not an ideal placement. I think that's the end of our video, guys. Interesting. Other than getting a ladder, so I'm putting this as a total fail.
I would say that probably the one that we saw that said to put a sharper chain on.
No, it's not a sharper.
Might be the
This is
one.
a sharp chain. The problem is the branch we picked. Would have been better to be in on the Y more. So here, of course, we're stuck. I'm almost thinking if we had another rope, we could throw it up here and pull that down.
Well,
You know?
grab
And
another rope.
put some down pressure on the branch.
Well,
But there's
we'll
no,
see.
This chain is bound.
It's stucker there. All right, guys. Bye. Over and out. Are you trying one more time? I guess he's trying one more time.
No, we're bound.
It's stuck.
No, totally, it's got too much branch weight on it.
Well, Bummy, guess what? We gotta grab some wood from over that wood pile there, so I can cook up some 3 cans of beans. You want some beans tonight? We gotta have some wood, start a fire to cook up 3 cans of beans.
We're not gonna use that wood pile. Bye, guys.
Over and out.
What's up? What's that? Oh my goodness, guys, we're out here looking for trouble today. So Memes wants to record just in case I'm stupid and get killed. She figures like, hey,
Oh, that's not very nice.
you should at least get it on camera if it's gonna happen.
If you're thinking that way, you shouldn't be doing it. Hey guys, look at the little bridge that I made for the RC car to go through. Isn't that pretty neat? Oh, look at that. There was a stick that was just bent. And I said, we can do something with that. There's a purpose for something, right? Purpose for everything. Let's see, I'm gonna be moving over here because there's nothing that I can assist with, I've been told. That's the branch.
Alright guys, so here's what's up. We tried that wonderful hand.
You got a thing on your mustache.
Oh, then we gotta start all over. Kill it. Yeah, it's just wood. Kill it. You gotta start over.